Hi guys, welcome to Golden Eye. Today we are doing subscription adjustment of not for profit organization. It may happen some students prepare statement for subscription, but we will not prepare statement for subscription. We will prepare subscription account as we are studying account subject. So we will prepare subscription account. Let's understand the format of subscription account. Subscription account, debit, credit, to balance brought down, opening outstanding. Opening outstanding means those subscription which had to receive last year but didn't receive. Means last year due subscription will come here. Buy balance carried down, closing outstanding. Closing outstanding means if we didn't get current year subscription, then it will come here. Buy balance brought down, opening advance. In last year we got current year subscription. This is treated as a opening advance. To balance carried down, closing advance. Closing advance means if in the current year we received next year subscription, then it is treated as a closing advance. When we receive subscription, then what will be the entry? Entry will be bank account debit to subscription. So here we will write by bank. Whatever subscription we receive in whole year, it can be related to previous year or next year. There may be some members who didn't pay subscription last year. So along with current year subscription, we will receive last year subscription. So last year subscription we write here, and current year subscription we will write here, and next year subscription we will write here. So total of subscription we will write here. So balancing figure item will be income and expenditure. It will be transferred to the income and expenditure account to income side. Let's understand the question. Following is the information relating to subscription of Rai Club for the year ended 31st March 2016. Subscription received during 2015-16 rupees 70,000. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2015 rupees 17,000. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2015 rupees 3,250. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2016 rupees 4,670. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2016 rupees 11,250. Show the subscription account for the year ended 31st March 2016 and in the opening and closing balance sheets. Now come to the answer. Subscription account, debit, credit, particulars amount. To balance brought down, outstanding on 31st March 2015. This is the opening balance. As current year start from 1st April 2015 to 31st March 2016, rupees 17,000. So opening outstanding means 17,000 rupees had to receive last year, but we didn't receive. So this is the last year due subscription. Buy balance carried down 11,250, which is mentioned in the question. This is the closing subscription which is outstanding at the end of current year. If we receive subscription, then what will be the entry? Entry will be bank account debit to subscription. So we have to do ledger posting of subscription. So we will write by bank here. So we received 70,000 during 2015-16. Buy balance brought down, advance on 31st March 2015 rupees 3,250. So this is the opening advance. If in the last year we got current year subscription, then it is treated as a opening advance. To balance carried down, advance on 31st March 2016 rupees 4,670. This is the closing advance. If in the current year we received next year subscription, then it is treated as a closing advance. After adjusting all item, we get income and expenditure as a balancing figure item, rupees 62,830. So it will be transferred to the income and expenditure account in the income side. Now we have to prepare opening and closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as at 31st March 2015. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Opening outstanding subscription rupees 17,000. We will write in the asset side. Why asset side? Because we will receive subscription in the coming year. So this is our assets. Opening subscription advance rupees 3,250. We will write here. This is our liabilities we have received in the advance. So this is the opening balance sheet. Next is closing balance sheet as at 31st March 2016. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Closing advance rupees 11,250. We will write in the asset side. Subscription outstanding rupees 11,250. Why we write in the asset side? Because we will receive this subscription in the coming year. So this is our assets. Closing advance rupees 4,670. We will write in the liability side. So subscription received in advance rupees 4,670. This is our liability as we have received in the advance. Now that this is done, if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.